Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer statement in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful for providing your clients with a complete overview of their account activity, including all invoices and payments, which helps maintain transparency and professionalism in your business relationships. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools and customer information. After you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and click on the Sales tab. This section houses all your sales-related activities and customer management tools. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Customers. This will display a list of all your customers in the system. Now, find and click on the name of the customer for whom you want to create a statement. This opens up their complete profile, showing you their transaction history and account details. Once you're viewing the customer profile, look for the Statement tab or button and click on it. This is where Zoho Books generates comprehensive account summaries. Next, you'll need to choose the date range for the statement. Zoho Books offers preset options like last month, last quarter, or year to date, but you can also enter custom dates if you need a specific period. Selecting the right date range ensures your customer sees exactly the transactions that matter for their review. Once you've set the date range, take a moment to review the generated statement. It will list all transactions, including invoices, payments made, and any outstanding balances. This verification step helps ensure accuracy before sharing it with your customer. Now you have several options for how to use this statement. If you want to save a copy for your records, click Download. This allows you to save the statement as either a PDF or Excel file, giving you flexibility in how you store and use the information. If you need a physical copy, simply click Print to send it to your printer. Perhaps the most convenient option is to click Email, which allows you to send the statement directly to the customer from within Zoho Books. This maintains a professional appearance and keeps all communication documented within your accounting system. Simply confirm the action to share the statement with your customer. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a customer statement in Zoho Books, helping you maintain clear and organized financial communication with your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.